Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'll be showing you how to make a smooth creamy custard with a mix of seasonal fruits in just a few simple steps. This recipe is easy to follow and super satisfying. So without wasting much time, let's get right into the video. So over here I have my custard and milk in my bowl. So this is the custard I'm using. This is vanilla flavor custard powder. So we're making use of 2 spoons and my milk. So you want to mix this well. Mix it well to be very smooth with no lumps. So I'm done mixing. I'll set this aside and move over to the stove top. Into my pot, I'll be pouring in milk. This is whole milk. So we'll give this time to start boiling. Meanwhile, you have to be close by so it doesn't bubble and pour on the stove top. You just have to be close by while watching it. So we'll give it some time to start boiling. Now, as you can see, the milk is almost coming to a boil. Before then, I'll go ahead to add my sugar. Then mix it very well. You just continue stirring the milk for the sugar to dissolve. Now I have my milk starting to boil. I'll go ahead to pour the custard and mix. You just have to mix continuously. So I'm mixing this on a medium to low heat. Just want it to take its time and cook very well until you get to that consistency that I want. Just keep stirring. So now I'm gonna check my custard. Let's see. Okay, it's ready. And please, if you're still watching to this point, kindly subscribe to my channel because I need your support to grow my channel. Thank you so much. So now I'll go ahead to take it off the heat as it's ready. I'll turn off my stove and pour this into a bowl. This is my fruit custard after I transfer it into a bowl. So I'll allow the custard to sit for 10 minutes in a room temperature before I transfer it to the refrigerator for at least 1 to 2 hours before coming back to continue the rest of the things I'm gonna put inside. So see you in a short while. After an hour, this is what we have. Just take this out. So this is an hour of letting this sit in the refrigerator. Just go ahead to mix. Pomegranate. I have my green and red grapes. Cantaloupe. Strawberries. Apples. Lastly, some bananas. Now I'll go ahead to mix everything together. As you can see, this is looking so creamy and delicious. Here we have our dessert ready, fruit custard. This is something you want to make for yourself or for an occasion, and it's really satisfying. You can try this with your friends and family and let me know what you think in the comment section about this fruit custard. So we'll go ahead to serve. So now we'll go ahead to serve it. So we're done. I'll just add some strawberry for garnishing and also some pomegranate. I'm gonna be leaving the full ingredients of everything I use in the description box. Please always go there to check them out. And guys, thank you for watching this video and see you in my next one. Enjoy your dessert. Bye.